Is your voice cutting out when you talk to friends on Discord from your computer? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem and chat away without any worries. Let's get started. First, open up Discord on your computer. Then click the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. After that, switch to the voice and video tab. Now, click the box input device and select the correct device. Now, click the box below input device and select the correct device. Next, change the input mode to push to talk. Then click the record keybind button and press the key you want. Now, when you press the assigned key, you should be able to talk and your voice won't get cut off until you let go of the key. But if you want to keep it automatic, select voice activity. Then toggle off the automatically determine input sensitivities feature. Just keep in mind that anything in the yellow will be silenced while the green will be heard by your friends. Now adjust the input sensitivity based on your background noise by moving this bar. Just keep it a bit above background noise and you will be good to go. From now on, your voice won't get cut off when talking with friends over Discord on your PC. So that's a wrap, guys. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. Got more questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.